Hello! Today is Sunday, the 9th of March. It's day 7 of my trip and I am in Tours.
It's market day, it's Sunday.
This morning, I'm visiting le musée du compagnonnage.
I think it's right there, this building maybe?
The Museum of Apprenticeship, I guess?
Entrance is... I don't know. Alright, so here is the tram stop, and that's just right there.
It's located in the former Abbaye of Saint-Julien, and it showcases the different jobs of the Compagnons du Devoir, with some of their creations, their traditions, attributes, and so on. It's a topic I'm not really familiar with, so I found this really fascinating and educative.
The big room was in this building. There is the Abbaye of Saint-Julien. It is raining.
It's raining heavily now, so I walk back to the accommodation for warm lunch. Then I'm out again. It's still raining.
Right, so the Museum of Fine Arts, right next to the Cathédrale Saint-Gatien. Right there.
This afternoon, I'm visiting the Museum of Fine Arts. They have a really nice big tree in the front.
What a beautiful tree. Wow. Cedrus libani. There you go. Musée des Beaux-Arts, Museum of Fine Arts.
The paintings are very nice, and I'm also enjoying the beautiful marquetry work. I'm out and it's not even 4 p.m.
That's the gardens of the museum. I'm not going to stay for long.
I'm having a quick look at the garden.
But then I just want to go back to the accommodation as I just want to be warm and dry. It was a nice and relaxing Sunday. The weather was bad, but I guess it's the perfect weather when you've planned to visit museums.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye!